eUsahawans and digital entrepreneurs, it is me again, Niel Tan. Today I want to show you how to download your e-certificate in Go-eCommerce Portal. So first of all, go to Google Chrome, open a Google Chrome browser, and right now I'm using incognito for security reason. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to key in Go-eCommerce, enter, then click on Go-eCommerce, Malaysia leading digital entrepreneur. I'm going to close this. I'm going to click on login, then key in your email address and your password. If you forgot your password or email, just click on forgot email or password over here. So once you get this done, once you fill in the information, click on login. Then click on learn online, click on my profile, and next you will be able to see one download e-certificate. So for my case, I am using the trainer Go-eCommerce Portal. So if you are using the participants or the students Go-eCommerce Portal, so you'll be seeing only one download e-certificate button. So for my case, I have two download e-certificate buttons, so it's alright, just click either one of them. I'm going to click on the first one. Okay, just click on the download e-certificate button. Okay, you will come to this page and make sure you click on this download certificate over here. Click on that. Sometimes it doesn't download, so make sure you click multiple times. Again, this Go-eCommerce is under beta version. So beta version means this website is still under developing and still under improvement. Sometimes you might have issue with the Go-eCommerce portal. So sometimes you click on download but nothing happened. For my case, it successfully managed to download the certificate in PDF format. If you're unable to download, make sure you double click, triple click until you're able to download. If it still doesn't work, okay, if it doesn't work, make sure you refresh the page. Alright. Okay, the next thing is click on this, click on your certificate PDF that you just downloaded, click on that. Alright, then you can actually zoom this out a little bit, zoom out, keep on zooming out, zoom out again. Now I think I'm going to zoom back in again. Okay, so I'm going to screenshot this entire certificate. Okay, I'm going to screenshot this. Now the next thing is go to the Facebook private group. Alright, just key in launch your business online program and then you should be able to search for this private Facebook group. Okay, the next thing is what you need to do is click on this search box over here and search for certificate. Okay, and you see this post, make sure you click on this post. I'm going to click on the image here, click on that. Scroll down, click on comment. And the next thing is you can actually drag and drop your image that you just screenshot. Drag and drop. You see this? I drag and drop and you should be able to see the picture appear. Okay, I'm going to tap on enter. And this is how it looks like. Okay, if you are not able to drag and drop, what you're going to do is you can click on this camera icon here, click on that. And I'm going to drag and drop this. I put it over here. You can see this. I'm going to click on that and click on open. And the same thing, you can just tap on enter. Okay, so this is how you post your e-certificate on the private Facebook group. Now the reason is why you need to post your e-certificate on Facebook group so that I am able to verify that you have indeed successfully attended the level 1 eUsahawan program. So once you have this level 1 eUsahawan certificate, the next thing is I will introduce you to attend the level 2 eUsahawan program whenever it is available. Alright, so that is all for now for this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below of this video, or if you have any questions, just drop me any questions in the WhatsApp private group. Alright, that is all for now. Thank you and see you soon. Stay safe and take care.